This video includes a demonstration of how to install glass media into Napoleon's Galaxy outdoor gas fireplace. The Galaxy comes with glass media, which is installed on top of the ember bed covering the media tray and burner for a modern aesthetic. To begin, locate the wind guards and identify the top and bottom by ensuring the Napoleon logo is in the top left-hand corner of the glass. Carefully install the wind guards into the glass brackets on either side of the appliance. The glass media should then be washed with warm water and a mild dish soap to remove the fine oil residue resulting from the manufacturing process, then dried with a microfiber cloth. Once dry, the glass can be spread evenly across the media tray and the burner, ensuring that it does not cover the pilot or ports in front of the pilot. Otherwise, ignition issues may occur. With all the glass media installed, test the operation of the fireplace. Check glass placement, as this can affect flame height. Once media is correctly installed, go over the operation of the Galaxy with your customer before leaving the site, so they feel comfortable using the fireplace as they desire. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.